Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid. As you know, we are diving deep into Tableau charts one by one. Today we are going to learn about an interesting chart type, the bar chart with multiple small charts. Imagine if you have a lot of data and you want to compare different categories across multiple regions or time periods. That's where multiple small bar charts come in handy. Instead of looking at a big chart, we break it down into smaller, more manageable pieces. Let's start by understanding what's in the image. On the left side, we have different brands listed. As you can see, these are the categories we are analyzing. Each brand has its own small bar chart, and this is repeated across 4 different regions: Central, North, South, and Southern. Each bar within these charts represents the sales for that brand in each region. Our years. X-axis shows the number of years, 2021 and 2022. Now the beauty of these small multiple bar charts is that they allow us to compare different data side by side. You can quickly see which brand is performing better in each region. For example, notice how the southern region has a peak in sales of Britannia brand in 2021. This kind of insight is easily spotted when we use small multiples.
So now first of all, I'm going to rename my sheet. So right click on this, rename. So this is my multiple bar charts. So first I will put the region dimension into columns. Next I will put the brand into the rows. Now you can see in the columns I'm having my regions and in my rows I'm having the brands. Then I will change this standard to the entire view so it nicely fits on the screen. Now here I want to display my sales, so I will put my sales to the rows. Now this is showing my sales with reference to the regions and brands. Now I will add the third dimension, that is the date. So I'm selecting this actual date and I'm putting it to the columns. Tableau might default to the line chart, so now from this mark section I will change it to the bar chart. Now I will put this brand to the filter and I will be selecting the top 5 brands. I will uncheck these brands, apply, okay. Then I will drag my region to the colors. Now this will color code the region, like central is for blue, north is for this color. More you can review the color code on this window here.
I hope this explanation helps you understand the power of small multiple bar charts in Tableau. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I will see you in the next episode of this incredible playlist. Take care and happy charting.